All right. So this is not in standard form. That function is not in its standard form because the standard form of a quadratic equation is in the form of y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. So we start with the x squared. So we need to rewrite that. So if we rewrite that, what we are going to get, without changing any sign because we are not crossing any equal sign, or we are not introducing an additive inverse, so it will be y is equal to negative x squared plus 2x minus 10. I've just rearranged this. So now this is now in standard form, because now I can tell that my y, that's my y, my a is -1, x squared is that one, my b is 2, my x is x, my c is -10. Okay, so now, after we do this, my good friends, after we do this, the next thing we need to do now is to determine whether this curve will have a minimum value or maximum value. All right, how do we determine that? And here's Martin saying, bro, we have grown up and we don't use that in our daily lives. That maths was a waste of time. And here you are again in the class of mathematics. Man, do you enjoy wasting your time? Because if you say mathematics is a waste of your time, do you really enjoy wasting your time? Let those who are benefiting benefit. And if you feel like it's wasting your time, find something that won't waste your time. At least something that will add more time. Okay. All right, let's continue, guys. Let's continue. So we need to determine this function. Is this function going to have a maximum value or minimum value? So let's talk about that. A, minimum. B, maximum. Is this function going to have a minimum value or maximum value? Let's go, my good friends. Anybody, somebody. There's no harm in trying. There's no harm in trying, y'all. Come on, guys. Come on. Downward. Okay, so user saying downward. You mean this? Okay, so let me even put this. Is this function going to have a curve like this or like that? Again, I'm going to have this, A and B. Nipunzisa, I'll call you later. Nipunzisa. All right. B, which is maximum. Okay, so our friend user is saying B. So we have one person who has gone for maximum. Others, what do we say? Nims is also saying maximum. And Paxina also saying maximum. All right. Hey, Rachel. Anybody else with a different answer? Believe, our friend Believe saying maximum. Nice. And Dr. B. Caponde also saying maximum. And we have an amazing friend who said, or we know saying A, which is minimum. All right, so this function is going to have a maximum value. All right, this function is going to have a maximum value. And the reason why it's going to have a maximum value, our coefficient of x squared is negative. So if we have a coefficient of x squared to be, being a negative, we are going to have a curve that will come out like this. Because our a is less than a 0. Okay, so our a is less than a 0, hence we have that curve. And if our a is greater than a 0, we have such. So this has a negative, hence we have that curve. So it has a maximum value. So the curve, if we were to plot the curve, it will come out like that. Good. Having